The longest road in the world, part one. Hey, this is Stephen Price with Grow Together. I can remember when I was a kid, I'd get in the car with my sister and my mom and my dad, and we'd go off to visit an aunt or uncle, and boy, we wouldn't be on the road very long before I'd be saying, "Are we there yet?" or "How much longer is it?" One of the longest highways in the United States is Interstate 90, and it is 3,111 miles, or the last time I looked, it was. But you know what the longest road in the world is? It's the road that's going nowhere. That's right. And there are people that are on it. There are people that are traveling that road. It has no expectations to it. It has no rest stops where you can look and see the beauty of God's creation. It has no directions because there are no signs. And yet, people are looking for peace. People are looking for something, and they get on the road that's going to nowhere. They're the ones that figure they can figure things out all on their own, and they don't need anybody else. They buy those Help To books, or they join some type of a movement. But we're not on that road. You know what? We're on the road to glory. That's right. Our road is called glory. And let me tell you about it. Paul says at the end of that road, we're going to have a crown of righteousness. And Jesus says at the end of that road, boy, he's prepared a place for us. How do we get there? Well, in Psalms, it says, God is a lamp unto my feet and a light unto my path. He also says in Psalms that he will lead us and guide us and direct us. Boy, isn't that good news on the road to glory? And there's another thing I want to share with you. This is in Isaiah. It says this: when you're traveling, if you turn to the right or turn to the left, listen to that small voice behind you, because it tells you which way you should go. Isn't that a great promise? Hey, in the comment section, would you do me a favor? As a kid growing up, what street did you live on? Hey, this is Stephen Price on Grow Together, and anything's possible with God.